Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in this video I will discuss another Flutter widget which is called as column. In the last video I have discussed about a row widget. Okay, a row widget and column widget has same properties. The only difference is that how it organizes its children. Row widget organizes its children in a horizontal direction, but the column widget organizes its children in the vertical direction. Okay, now since the column widget organizes the children in the vertical direction, this means it can scroll in the vertical direction, and since it scrolls in the vertical direction, that will be its main axis. This means in case of column, the vertical axis is the main axis. Okay, and the cross axis, which will be the perpendicular to the main axis, this means the horizontal axis will be the cross axis, as I have written here. Cross main axis means the axis for the widget in which it is supposed to scroll. This means vertical axis, and cross axis is the one which is perpendicular to the main axis, means horizontal axis. This means main axis is the vertical axis and the cross axis is the horizontal axis in case of column widget. Okay, now if I switch to Android Studio, here I have used the same project which I have created for the row widget. The only difference is that instead of row, here I have used column. Okay, let me save this, and you can see the container has been placed vertically. Okay, now if I it is displayed in the center position because by default the cross axis alignment property is center. Now if I make it to start, then you can see it has been shifted towards the start position. If I change it to end, if I save this, then you can see it has been shifted to the end position. Okay, the functionality is same which I have discussed in case of row widget. Okay, so I am not going to discuss all the properties. You can just play with all the properties which I have discussed in case of row. Okay, here you can see I have used text baseline, we have vertical direction, we have text direction, we have main axis alignment, we have main axis size. All the properties which I have used in case of row widget, here you can use also. Let me show you the main axis size property by wrapping it inside center, and I will wrap it inside child, that is container. And inside the container, what I will do as a child, I will take this column widget. Okay, I will take this column widget, let me cut it from here, let me paste it here. Okay, now there is no need of this comma, and what I will do is that for this container I will keep a color as colors dot yellow, which I have discussed in case of row widget as well. Okay, now let me save this. Once I save this, then you can see it has been placed vertically, and this yellow portion is nothing but the container whose color is yellow. Okay, now here in case of main axis size, I am writing as main axis size dot min. This means it minimizes the use of free space. As you can see, it has minimized the use of free spaces. But if I make it as max, then you can see it will maximize the use of free space like this. Okay, so rest of the properties you can use as I have used in case of a row widget. Okay, and let me tell you one more thing, that with the help of this row widget and column widget, we can create 90% layouts of Flutter. Okay, and the note you can find in the description of my video. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.